Today we're going to be starting in your ePortfolio. To get to your ePortfolio, you need to go to this PC and double click. You'll then see your name, which is your network folder. You're going to double click on your network folder and open up the one that says, well, I'm going to go down to Chloe's really fast because that's who I have opened. Oh. It'll say Ozobot ePortfolio. You will open that up and you will have something that looks just like this. What this is directions on what you need to do. So the first direction, you just have to read them step by step and it'll explain what you need to put in here. So first it says, take a screenshot of the material you will use and place a screenshot on this page. So I'm going to go over here to camera and take a screenshot of, I can't hold them all at once, what I'm going to use. Pretty easy. You're going to go to insert picture, click on the material I'm going to use. Now, if you need to minimize it, the sides are where you minimize it. Then I'm going to go to step 2. It says watch video on how to screenshot. You're doing that right now, so you're good. It says write the title of the liftoff challenge. The title right here is something that you will find on your challenge is the Ozobot speed race. So that's what I'll be putting in here, Ozobot speed race. You need to have your network file name, which is your name or your partner's name, whoever you logged in with. Then you need to put the date and your name and your partner's name. Next, it says to delete this box and place your screenshot in the middle of this page. So I'm going to delete both of these shots. And put my screenshot in the middle of this page. Oh my gosh, I'm so cute. Okay, now the second directions is to click on the rocket on the dock. So you're gonna go over here. Whoa, we're going crazy here. Click on your rocket and that will open up your launch pad. Got it. I like to split my screen just because it makes it easier so I can see one thing and do one thing at a time. Okay, click on the login tab and pull it over so you have 2 windows on the screen. Split the screen. Sign in with your password. You're going to go to Liftoff Challenges, choose Robotics and Control Technology, then Ozobot Speed Racer. So what you're going to do is write your learning challenge on the next slide that you see right here. Your learning challenge is going to be right here. You'll type that in right there. Go back to this one and says, watch this video. You can click here. If you right click it, it'll show the video. And then it says delete this slide. If you don't know how to delete the slide, you can click here for instructions. You right click on it and it will go to open hyperlink is how you do all these. So right click, open hyperlink, and it will open up the videos that you need to see. So you'll have this one deleted and you're going to go over to Challenge 1 Fun Run. The challenges, remember, this tab tells us what the challenges are. This tells us what we need to know before we do it. This challenge also has the Ozo codes. So if you need to know what the codes are when you're programming, that's where you'll find it, is in the what you should know. You're going to go to the Do It challenge. Now, right now we're looking to do Challenge 1 Fun Run. So you look in the table of content, go to Challenge 1 Fun Run. It says to design a path that will be fun for you to follow. You can use different color lines, but we cannot use the Ozo cones in this challenge. When you have finished this challenge, it does have a step 2 of questions that you need to answer. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take screenshots of our challenge. So this one says use the camera, delete this box. So I'll go over here to camera. And if I don't want to be in the picture, I can hold it really close to the camera. And that will be my fun run. So I'm going to go to insert picture. And that's where I'll put it if I've deleted everything. Okay, the next challenge is the second challenge, and that one's the speed test challenge. The speed test challenge, you'll need a pencil, and you're going to draw 3 lines. You're going to use these codes right here. to guide the Ozobot from start to finish, you need to use the same codes each time with the 3 lines. And what that will do is that will put it in different orders. Here is an example of this. Completed project. You'll see 3 lines, same code, but the code is in a different order. You're going to use the digital camera, the digital stopwatch to time it. Then you can write down the times in each section. You'll take a picture of that. And put that picture in here. It has my times on it. It has which code in each one, so I know which code it is. It's got everything I need right there. The next time is a time trial, and that's going to be step 3 right here. You're going to have to follow the directions for that. You might have to use your observation for other challenges and the codes right here. When you're done with the 3rd one, that's it. You'll come back to name one thing that you struggled with. You know, for me, I really struggled with making sure the codes were the right size. And how I figured that out was that I went back to here, and up at the top, it actually has something that says Ozobot tips. And I was able to see, oh, this is how I can draw the lines. This is why my code wasn't working. You know, this was why it was working. So that's what I would just write down right there. After you have finished all 3 challenges, come up and let me know. You will then be able to get your certificate and move on to Extend Yourself, which has some really fun maze exchanges and brain teasers. So good